Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Annie. I talk all things self-growth, productivity, and how to turn ideas, skills, and passions into profitable digital products. So if you have ever thought, I want to make money online, I need a side hustle, I want to be my own boss, I want financial freedom, or I want to work from home, then you are exactly where you need to be. I started exploring online business back in 2014. I launched an online store, started blogging, tried affiliate marketing, created content, and experimented with both physical and digital products. And let me tell you, it was not a straight line. I made so many mistakes, but each one helped me learn what actually works and what absolutely doesn't. And today I want to walk you through a 4-step process to turn your ideas, skills, or passion into profitable digital products, even if you feel like you have no skills or no experience. Let's get real for a second. Most people aren't actually searching for another job. They're searching for freedom, time freedom, money freedom, and control over their life. And digital products can give you that because once you create something one time, you can sell it over and over again. There's no inventory, no shipping, no huge startup cost, no need to show your face if you don't want to. You can build everything from your laptop, your phone, or honestly, your couch. And yes, people are becoming 6- and 7-figure creators with simple offers like digital templates, guides, courses, coaching, and more. So let's break down the process. Step 1 is clarity. Before you create anything, you need clarity. And this is where a lot of people get stuck. They think, I don't know what I can sell. I don't know what I'm good at. I don't have a niche. Here's the truth. You already have something valuable. Skills, experiences, stories, lessons. Someone out there needs what you know. Clarity is about understanding your strengths and passions, doing basic market research, defining, narrowing down your niche, learning what your audience struggles with, positioning yourself so you stand out, validating your idea before you create anything. And this is where pre-selling comes in. This step is everything because without clarity, you'll waste time creating the wrong product, and we're not doing that. Step 2 is creation. Once your idea is validated, meaning people need it, not just want it, then you turn it into a real product. And this includes structuring your content, designing your product, choosing the right tools and platforms, packaging your knowledge into something people can buy. And this is where your idea becomes a real offer. Step 3 is selling, in other words, marketing. Selling gets a bad reputation, but honestly, selling is just helping someone solve a problem. You can have the best product in your niche, but if nobody knows it exists, you won't make any sales. Some people upload a product and cross their fingers that customers magically appear, but it doesn't work that way. Marketing is how you get eyes on your product, and this includes pricing your offer, running simple, clear messages, creating content that builds trust, building funnels that help you sell consistently. Step 4 is growth. Once you start making money, your next goal is consistency. The growth phase is about building trust and long-term relationships, creating systems, automating your sales, attracting new customers, and also turning one-time buyers into repeat buyers, growing your personal brand. So this is where freedom and stability really begin. So these 4 steps are the exact roadmap countless online creators use, and many of them scale to 6 and 7 figures using simple, beginner-friendly offers. So before you go, I made something for you. I created a free guide that breaks down the 5 digital product categories that make people the most money right now, even for beginners with no experience. If you want real online income, or you're ready to be your own boss and build more freedom in your life, I highly suggest you to download this guide. It'll help you figure out exactly which digital product you should start with today. The link is in the description and also on my YouTube channel homepage. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!